Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to organize presets into folders. So first off, open up your Lightroom app and then you can select any image on which you have applied any presets. So for example, I'll just choose this picture over here and go ahead and open it. And now go over to the top right corner and you can see a three dots button and tap on it. And now you can see there's a create preset button, so go ahead and open that. And as you can see, under this preset group you can tap on this arrow button over here and then it will allow you to create new preset group, so go ahead and tap on that. Now you can name this group anything you want, and now that you have named it, you can simply save the preset on which picture that you just opened a minute ago to this group, so go ahead and do that and then tap on the tick button over here. And if you again go back to the create preset button, then you can see that it has created a preset group. Here it is, group A. And if you want to add other presets to it, then I'm going to be showing you right now. So go back, and now if you want to, for example, save a preset which is applied on this image over here, then go ahead and tap on it and again go to the three dots and then create preset. And now under preset group, if you open it, you have the ability to choose which preset group you want to add the preset in. So right now it is selected to group A, and if you want to allocate the preset to other groups, then simply tap on the name of the preset group. And then if you want to save the preset to your group A, then tap on the tick button and it will be saved to that preset group. And now if you want to apply those images, then you simply open any images that you want, then go over to the preset button over here, and as you can see, the preset group which I made earlier shows up here. And if you open it, then the preset that I saved in the group appears here, and if you tap on, then it will be applied to your image. And yeah, that's it for the video today. If you have any questions, then leave them down in the comments below and I will be answering them. And if this video has helped you, then like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.